How you doing? This is Ray Love. We doing it real big here on Fountainhead Networks TV. We out here at Stanford, and it's a lot of powerful business people here, a lot of talented people, and that's why I'm here. I just came from a seminar called basically it's about working with assholes. That's what it was. I liked it. I thought it was very what's the word for it? I was surprised that it was so blunt. You know what I mean? Because we all deal with that at work at different times. And it was just teaching you how to deal with it, and also as a manager and as a company, how to not let that work against you. You know what I mean? Finding good places for those people. That was the first thing that I saw this morning. But I'm really here for the conference later on. QD3 is going to be speaking. Chamillionaire, Fab's going to be speaking. All those dudes is my people, you know, so. I got a show, pushingthebay.com, on YouTube, and it's about all Bay Area culture here locally, hip-hop mostly, but we also deal with like a lot of the skateboarding, and we'll be dealing with the rock aspects of the Bay Area, and it's doing good. We're getting a lot of overseas hits, you know what I mean? So that's kind of what I'm here doing here too. I think people gonna be watching it more like television. YouTube just did a deal with TiVo, which is going to put it on our television, which is moving in the direction that we want to go in, because we want to take TV is kind of like a small box to fit in. You know what I mean? If you don't have a cable channel or a major network channel or what have you, this is kind of for everybody. So anybody get that opportunity to be seen by a larger amount of people, you know, on whatever topic you want to talk about. Really, I'm really impressed. I just met a gentleman inside who was from American Solutions, which was started by Newt Gingrich, right? And he's coming from D.C. And I like politics, and it's cool to have people from political backgrounds. I come from a music industry background. I made records for the last 17 years, you know what I mean? So just to see people from all different aspects come and meeting here at Stanford, kind of like coming at it from a technology standpoint, and how we could all learn from each other and kind of work together. I think we have a smaller neighborhood online than like I said, like in television or whatever. I had some friends who did radio, and they switched over and went online, and now they're doing a larger media than just radio. So when you go online and you can watch their videos, and you can also listen to them spin records and tell jokes, it's like we bringing it all together in one forum.